Okay. In our previous session, we have discussed about the joins, guys. Okay, joins. In depth about joins. Okay. So almost everything we have completed. Only one concept. There is non-equi join. Okay. So there is a non-equi join. So almost we have completed what? What is inner join, left join, right join, full join, and also self. After that, what are the types of joins we have covered? Inner, left, right, then full join. Then also what? There is a
Cross
concept
join.
of self join. After that, cross join. Okay, cross join. These are all the joins we have seen, right? Now, if you remember, see all these joins are based on what? Okay, so it is inner join also. We have one condition. Okay, um, now I will show you one thing. Okay, so non-equijoin also, if I complete, then there will be no issue. Union. Okay. Okay. There is a concept called non-equijoin. What is that non-equijoin means? Non-equijoin is a performed between the tables not sharing common field. Okay, not sharing common field. Not sharing common field means what? This join is called non-equijoin because here join condition is not based on the equals to operator. Okay, and it is based on greater than or less than. Now just tell me if I want to join the tables, both two tables, what are those tables? EMP table and department table. How the joining condition I am giving there? If I want to join two tables, EMP table and department table, what is the joining condition I'm giving there? Like select star from EMP. Okay, if it is inner join, I'm giving what? Um, Inner join with what?
DPT.
With the DEPT. Okay, with DEPT. Okay, with the DEPT based on
uh,
okay. EMP dot department number
is
equals
equals
to.
to
I want to notice everyone. This is what I'm okay. Equals to
DPT
DEPT
dot
dot department
department
number. Okay, so this join I'm performing based on which operator?
equal to
Equals to. If you see, what are the joints? Inner, left, right, full, self. Okay, whatever the joints I performed here based on the equals to
equals to.
operator, right?
Yeah.
That is normal. Okay, equi joints. Non-equi joints means we perform the joint based on less than or greater than condition. First of all, this point is clear up to now.
Yes.
Okay. Now let's see, for example, I have one table. Okay. What is the table? Employee table. Okay. In this employee table, I have three columns: employee number, employee name, and salary. These are all the three columns I'm having. And another table called salary grade. Okay. Salary grade. Okay. So this salary grade is what? Here also I have how much? Okay. Three columns: grade, low salary, high salary. For example, just tell me if there is any person who is earning salary between 2,500, he'll comes under which grade? I think
Loss.
this is a slab, right? He's a third grade person, right? I mean, the one who is earning salary between 2,000 to 5,000, then okay, see, low salary and high salary. Okay, I mean, he will comes under this one, guys. Okay, third grade. Can you understood or not this logic? Okay, for example, there is a person. Okay, there is a person. Employee name 1,500. He is earning 1,500. He'll comes under which slab? Second grade, right?
Seconds. Yeah.
Second grade. Okay. Yes, this is I want you everyone to be noticed. Okay. Now let's see, for example, that I want to display like this, like how employee. Okay, for example, I want to display employee number, employee name, salary, and grade. For example, I have a table. In the first column, I want employee number, and second column, employee name, and in the third column, his salary. and in fourth column, I want his grade. Okay, let's take one example. For example, there is a employee number is one. Okay, just employee number is one. And what is the name of that employee? A. And his salary is how much?
5,000.
5,000. Yes, 5,000. Now I want to give his grade. Okay, his comes under which grade? 5,000 means
Fifth grade.
fifth grade, right?
Yeah.
This is what output I want for all the employees. Okay. Now, first of all, one thing is clear, right? Employee details is available in one table and graded details is available in another table. Okay. Nothing else. Everything is same, but we are going to join. Okay. Select employee number, employee name, third column as a salary and a grade. Okay. From which tables? Employee table as well as grade table. But here we need to give the condition where salary between S dot low salary and okay, here E dot, okay, salary between, okay, E dot salary between S dot local salary and the S dot highest salary. You have to give this joining condition. Basically this is what non-equivalent but very rare use case. I don't have any table, okay, to show you in practical salary grade. Just try to understand everything is fine. Okay, he picked first three columns. Okay, see guys, there is a first three columns: employee number, employee name, salary from which table? Employee table.
Employee table.
And the S dot grade table from
Salary grade table.
salary grade table. Okay, but where he is joining how? E dot salary. Okay, that salary should be where between S dot local and S dot highest.
Right.
Okay. So then you will get output like this. If you want, you just to create one table and try this logic where E dot salary between S dot low salary and the high dot S dot high salary. Okay. This is what non-equivalent. Very rare use case, guys. Okay. But you should know things are joined like this also. Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay. Now let's see the final anything that we miss. No. Um, join display department wise total salary. Okay. Display department names. Okay. Display department names. There is a one last question. Just try this one also. Don't want to leave any of this question. Then we can start set operators and subqueries. Okay. Okay. So display department wise total salary and display department names. Display department wise total salary and department names. First of all, everyone please see here. What I want display department wise total salary. Okay. Department means department number 10, 20, 30, right? Whatever it might be. Is available in which table?
EMP table.
And the salary is also available in EMP table.
EMP table.
Department names available in which table?
Department table.
Okay, these two things are clear, right?
Yeah.
In EMP table, I have what? Salary
Salary
details and
detail.
also department number I have. Okay, department number I have. Okay, department names. Okay, department names I have in a department table. Okay, to answer this question, anyway, I need to join both the tables. If you want, just check. Select star EMP is one table. Okay, so I have a salary details and department number details, and similarly select star from EPT. Okay, department number. This also you just select and run it. So I have department names. Okay, department names here. So first let's join. Okay, so as per the requirement, what I want, select
Select
EMP table
E
E dot
depart DPT.
department number,
Comma.
comma, again E dot salary.
Salary.
But what I want, sum of salary, right? Okay. Anyway, what I want, sum of E dot
Salary.
salary. Okay, E dot salary, comma, in department table, which column? D dot
D name.
D name. Okay, D dot D name. From which table?
EMP
EMP table as E. I
E
want all the tables from left to side.
from
I want complete data from left to side. What join should I do?
inner join
Inner join. With what table?
DPT
Department table. Okay. Department table. On. Okay. On.
E dot
On. Okay. So E dot. Okay. E dot
DPT number
department number equals to
equal to
E dot
E dot
department
department.
number. But can you see? If I run this, I'll get some error. What is what is the problem? I use the grouping right here. I want department wise, department number wise, what I want?
Sum of salary
Sum of salary. So I should group this now. Okay. Without grouping this, how I'll get? So
group by
group by any E dot department number. Now you try this one. I think it should come upside.
No, DNAME also, non-aggregate columns.
Wait. Department name. Select E dot department number and I want sum of salary and the department name also I want from EMP. Okay, okay. So I think D dot department name also, right?
D name
Department name wise, right? Grouping. Inner join. It's also fine. Okay, wait. Department names. What is that full name of
it's D name D dot D name
the name, right? I forgot. That is
One and three, 1 and 3 is required. Department number and department name,
wait. Select
non-aggregate columns.
this is also not a use case. Huh? Okay. Okay. Can you see? I have a department number. Wait. I have department number and second column sum of salary. Okay. And department name also. Department name also. But I am using here aggregation function. So I have to div a group with respect to this department number and department name. Okay. So what is the content is we are going to join the tables. After joining the tables, we also perform the group as per the requirement. I hope it's fine. Is it clear? Okay, thank you. Okay, let's see, guys. We'll go to a new concept. Okay, there is a set operators. There is a operators called set operator. Set operators. Okay, set operators. What is this set operators? Okay, set operators. So there is a union. Okay, the first one we are going to understand about union. Okay, and the second one is union all. Okay, union all. Then we have intersect and minus also. So if you open this documentation right here, you can see clearly. Okay. Um, Set operators. What are all the set operators we have? Union, union all, intersect, and minus. We know, right? Logic. For example, A union B. Okay. For example, A union B. What is the meaning of this A union B? What it will returns? For example, A have all the values. A have 1, 2, 3, 4. B have 1, 2, 5, 6. So if you do union, what output you will get? In simple, guys, you are doing union means all the values it is going to join. So before that, just try to understand. Okay, for example, you have EMP table and department table. If you join, what will happen? EMP and this is DEPT. Okay, EMP and DEPT. What will happen? Side by side, they will join, right? Side by side. What I mean to say, they will join side by side and they will become like one single table. Okay. Normally, what happened, for example, in EMP table, I have eight columns. Okay. EMP table, I have eight columns. Assume that eight columns. In department table, four columns. Now, in the resultant table, how many columns I may have? I have. Guys, I joined EMP table and department table. In EMP table, 8 records and department table, 4 records. If I join these two tables, EMP table and department table, how many number of records, how many number of columns in the output?
12.
That's all. Okay, 12 records. What is happening? What does it mean? Okay, so both the tables, okay, joining side by side, right? Based on some common column, side by side, they are joining, right? Is it clear? Since they are joining side by side, where number of columns are getting increased. But union is different, guys. What is the union means? Okay. For example, I have a one table. Okay. If I union with another table, this is one top. Okay. This joins like this. Okay. This joins like this. Okay. For example, here assume that this is one X table. Okay. And this is a Y table. Okay. This is Y table. Okay. In X table, I have, okay, 12 rows and 4 columns. Okay. 12 rows and 4 columns. In Y table, I have 20 rows and 4 columns. Now, if I union these two tables, okay, if I union these two tables, what is X union X union Y? Okay, how many in output, how many records I will get in
32.
output? Okay, how many?
32.
Exactly, 32. Say confidently, okay? This will become a single record, okay? Then total it will become what? 32 records.
32.
32 with the 4 columns.
4 column.
32 records with the 4 column. Understood? Join is side by side, okay? There is a one table, another table based on some common column or whatever it might be, okay? Based on some common column or whatever it might be, we join side by side, okay? Side by side. Here number of columns will increase, okay? Union is like, okay, one is on top of another or something, okay? X union Y means here I have a 12 records, here I have a 20 records. If you do union na, 12 plus 20 it will become 32 records. Here number of columns will increase, here number of rows will get increased. Is it clear?
Yeah.
First, if you clear, then we can move to the next topic, okay? Let's see, guys. Okay, now let's see now. For example, if you do union, what will happen? Okay, see, this is from 1, 2, 3, 4. First, I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. And 5, 6 means I'll get all the records. All the records I will get. Okay, if you do union, A union B means I'll get all the records. Okay, if you do union all, na, I'll get all the records, including the duplicates. Here, okay, here, see guys, if I do union, there is no duplicates. But if I do union all, it will allow the duplicates. Means, irrespective 1, 2, 3, 4 from the table A and 1, 2, 5, 6 from the table B. If you do union, na, it will also union, but without duplicates. Without duplicates. Okay. We'll see statement 1 and 2. Now see, A intersect B. A intersect B means what? A intersect B. Now, okay, it is like, okay, I have a A, okay, A in this 1, 2, 3, 4, okay. Next, B. Okay, so in B, what I have? 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now, A intersect B. Just see, guys. A intersect B means I'll get only these two output. Okay, from common from this one. Okay, common from this one. Okay, and A minus B. This also you try. Intersect is 1, 2. A minus B. Hey, 5, 6, right? Just it is 5, 6, right? Wait. The B table is having what? The B what we are having? 1, 2, 5, 6. Okay. See guys, in case of A intersect B, what I am getting? 1 and 2. Okay. A minus B. Okay. A minus B. So if you do A minus B, it is giving what only 3 comma 4 means this common will be removed and we have only 3 comma 4. And B minus A means 5 comma 6. It removes all the things and it will keep left side. Is it clear or not? You have to understand this way. Set operators we know, right? Union or intersect and minus. Okay, we'll practice in, okay, we'll practice and see. Just okay, thank you. Okay, let's copy this one. Okay, for reference purpose, we'll paste it in here. Okay, fine. Okay. See, above operators are performed between set of rows, okay, written by two queries, okay. See, we have to give statement one, union or intersect or whatever it may be, then second two. There are some rules, guys, okay. If you cross these rules, it won't work. See, number of columns written by both queries must be same. Okay, here what is the first condition? Number of columns written by both the queries must be same. And corresponding columns data type must be same. For example, this is one table and this is another table. Okay. For example, this table is having how many records, how many rows? 4 rows. Then if I want to union with another table, okay. So this table also should have how many columns?
4.
4 columns. Is it clear? So if I want to do union between two tables, this table is having 4 records and here also it should have 4 records. Okay. And corresponding means, for example, this is record 1. Sorry, this is column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4. Assume that, assume that the column 2, okay, this column 2 is int or number. Okay, so here also, okay, here also second column should, here also what? Here also the second column should be
Number.
number. This is the two rules. These two rules you should have to follow. Is it clear? The first rule is what? Number of columns written by both queries must be same. Okay. The above table and below table, whatever, okay, it should be same. And next one is corresponding column data type must be same. For example, if I am using int here, okay, if I am using varchar, here also varchar. If it is a date, it should be a date. Okay, the corresponding data types should match. Okay, should be same. Let's see now in practical, we'll see. Mhm. Okay, for example, let's take select, okay, job from which table? From EMP table, where department number equals to 20. So let's see this output. Okay, so this is the output I'm having, right? Okay, just to copy this output. Okay, see now the table one. Okay, the table one. This is, assume that table one is having this output. Okay, now similar way, just copy, paste. Okay, where department number equals to 30. Just copy, select and run it. Okay, so this also you copy. T2. Okay. Now, if I do union, guys, between, okay, this is assume that this is one table. Okay, this is one table. This is table one, and this is table two. Okay, table or whatever it might be. Okay. Now, if I do union, okay, if I do union between these two tables, what output I'll get? See, I'm performing which operator? Union. What output I'll get? Anyone? If I do union between these two tables, I mean, these two things, what I'll get?
Manager, analyst, clerk.
I'll get all the values, okay, without duplicate, right?
Duplicate.
Without duplicate. It won't, there will be no duplicate. See, I have analyst, clerk, manager, and a
Sales.
salesman. Okay, I have analyst, clerk, salesman, and only these values without duplicate.
Duplicate.
Now, if I do union all, now if I do union all, this is above is the statement one. Okay, this is a statement one, this is a statement two. If I do union all, okay, what it will return?
Along with duplicates, it will return.
Along with the duplicates. Okay, this one below and this one. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11,
11. 11
11.
rows.
Okay, only 11. We'll get 11
11
records.
rows.
Okay, so now if you do minus, for your understanding purpose, I'll take another examples also. Okay, union all. Okay, see guys, what is the difference between union and joins? Okay, see, this is horizontal match. This already we have seen. Mhm. Scenario: employee US, employees India, department number, display total employee list. Mhm. Okay. So before go to minus, just go with this. Okay, there is a one scenario, guys. There is a one scenario. Assume that there is a one scenario when we can use this union. Okay. So for example, I have a two tables. I have a two tables. Please assume this. The scenario is I have a two tables. One table is related to employees who are working in which location?
In
US
the
location.
US.
And another employees are belongs to location?
India.
Indian
India.
location. Now there is what another is what, okay, some employees who are belongs to which location, I mean, and then department details I have. For example, I want total, guys. I mean, display total employees list. This is a question. What? Display employees list. So how can I do this? Simple now. I have employees related to US and also India. Now my requirement is display total employees list. I want all the employees list means how can I do? Can I do
Select star from
yeah, from EMP underscore US,
US.
and also if I do union with what again?
Select
Select
star
star from which country?
EMP.
EMP underscore what?
India.
IND. So the above query will cover all the employees who are belongs to US and below query will cover what? All the employees in the India.
India.
So the both tables will get joined, and the both tables will get merged. Okay, I mean not merged, union, and I'll get all the employees list, right? Like that, if you want, okay, this is a real-time scenario, guys. Okay, so you have a multiple regions, okay, some data related to some sales, okay, for example, some sales data related to one region, another region, another region. So if you wanna join, I mean, if you union, you will get all sales details. Okay, now for example, display employees working at US location with the department details. Okay, so display employees working at US location. Okay, so what I want. Okay, this is a question. For example, this is a question. Okay, how can we answer? Okay, so display employees working at US location with the department details. So how can we answer this? Select. Okay, there is a table called US table and department table is available, right? Please consider these two. Okay, so what how I can write the select query? Select what I want, employees working at US location. So I want employee details. Okay,
View
employee details. How can I
all.
do? Select if all the details means, can I do
Select star from
um, E dot star?
yeah.
Means all the details from employee table.
Employee table.
Okay, from employee table. Then what I want, comma, from department table, I want only D dot location. I don't want all other. Are you getting my point? See, guys?
Yep.
In EMP table, I want all the details, but in department table, I want only D dot
Location.
location. From which table?
EMP
From what?
EMP plus
EMP underscore
US
US.
E.
Okay, as E. Good. Okay, so better to all the details you want na employees. So better do left join means left side you will get all the table. Left
Left
join
join
with
DEPT.
TPT
exactly DEPT. Okay, based
D
on
RCD.
E dot department number. Okay, yes, as D. Sorry, I forgot. As D. E dot department number equals to D dot department number. Okay, so this is the answer, guys. Simple.
D dot D number and D and O.
E dot department number
D
equals.
number you mentioned in the table.
The column name is D and O.
Okay, okay, fine. Understood the concept, right?
Yeah.
Concept wise, department number. Now I have one more question. I have one more question. I want not only US details. Now the question will be, for example, let's see, how can we do this? Total employees with the department. Now not only particular employees. Okay, now total employees with the department details. So irrespective of region, India or US. Okay, what is the next question? Just try to understand. Total employees with the department details. So what you can do? Simple, the same thing. Okay, the above one will give you what? Okay, employee
US.
details with their location. And if you do union with what? See, assume that this is belongs to US details along with what? This is select star from, yeah, this is US details and this is Indian details. That's all. Okay, so if you do union now, what you will get? You will
All.
get the details. Simple, right?
Details.
Okay, nothing between US details and Indian details. You are performing union. Okay, so you'll get all the total employees details, including the department details. Is it clear? Take time and just go through once this and let me know. I hope it's clear, right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Let's see, guys. This is about the union. Okay. Now, what is the union all? Okay. What is this union all? See, now this union all. Okay. Union all combines rows written by two queries. This is also what combines. Okay. Combines what rows. Okay. Here also rows. Here also rows. Written by two queries. Okay. Written by two queries. But result is not sorted. The result it will not sort. Here what is happening? Result will be sorted. Means it will remove the duplicate. Whatever the output. See, once I join. Okay, sorry. Once I union, the one table with another table or one statement with another statement, whatever the output I am getting now, whatever the output I am getting, right? That is getting, okay, what happened there? Result is getting sorted, right? Sorted means it is removing the duplicates now. Okay. But in case of, okay, in case of union all, it won't do anything. As it is, it will, okay, as it is, it will keep. That's what we have seen, right? Previously. If we do, okay, if you do union, okay, so it is here. If I do what it will do, first it is sorting the data, right? I mean, it is removing the duplicate, and also please observe one more thing. It is sorting the data, right? First I have starting with A, then C, then M, then salesman. But in case of union all, okay, it won't sort the data and it won't remove the duplicate. It will give the data as it is. Okay, first one is belongs to department number 20 and second few records belongs to department number 30. That is only a different, guys. If anyone asks what is the difference between union and union all, means both will combine the rows, both will combine the rows, but in union there is no duplicates. In union all, there will be a duplicates. And in union, whatever the result I got, that will get sorted. Sorted means in ascending order. But in union all, okay, in union all, there is no any type of a sorting. Okay, so that is the difference, guys. This is a union and union all. Please read, okay. Eliminates the duplicates, includes the duplicates. Sort the result. Result is not sorted. Okay, it is little bit slower than, it is little bit slower. Union is slower, but union all is faster. Why? Union all is fast and union is slow. So in case of union, it has to join the rows first. After joining the rows, what it will do? It will have
Sort.
to remove the duplicates. After removing the duplicates, what it will perform? It will sort the data. Three things happening, right? But in case of this one, union all, okay, it simply, okay, the above queries, below queries, it will keep as it is. Okay, so that's little bit fast than union. Union all is little bit faster than union all. Okay, so see, we have a simple tables, okay, a table with the 10 records, 20 records, as per the example we are seeing. But if you apply this on some big volume of data, right, like 10K, 12K, 30K records, okay, you will notice the difference. Okay, let's find what is this intersect. Okay, what is this intersect means? Return common values from the result of two tables. Okay, result common values. Okay, so what it will do, intersect, return common values from the result of two select statements. Okay, now let's see. Let's see. So first of all, select this one. Oh, and run it. So for department number 20. What are all the job roles I have? These are all the job
Manager,
roles.
analyst, clerk.
Okay, fine. Okay, okay. Let's see now. And similarly for department number 30. Okay, for department number 30. If you run this, if you run this, okay, just copy this one. So how many records I have? Okay, these are all the records. Now in between these two, instead of union, if I perform intersect, okay, intersect. Okay, what is the operator I'm going to perform?
INTERSECT.
Okay, yes, intersect. So it will give only what? If you intersect, what will happen?
Common.
It is like inner join, only common. What is the
Common,
common
common.
between these two?
Manager,
I have
clerk.
manager and analyst, no, clerk. Okay,
Clerk.
clerk. So in output, I'll get only these two records. See, manager and clerk. Okay, if I union, sorry, if I intersect, I'll get only these two records. Okay, so now let's see what about this one. What is that? Intersect is completed. Let's see about the minus. Okay, let's see about the minus. What this minus returns the values present in the first query output and not present in the second query output. First you read this, guys. Okay, first you read this. If you do minus, what will happen? These are all the use cases, guys. Okay, if you do minus, now you have an explanation here. Okay, this is a first query. Okay, now if I do this, what will be my output? If I do minus, okay, if I do minus, returns values present in the first query output and not present in second query output. What does it mean?
It gives only department 20 or
Department 20 only. In within this department only 20, what it will be?
Only analyst.
Only analyst. Because why? Analyst is a only unique one, right? Here, do you have analyst?
no.
No. Okay, no. Nice. So I'll get the analyst. Since A minus B is okay, see, this is statement 1 minus statement B. So it will remove all other things, it will keep only. Now just tell me another scenario. If I do this, just think and tell me. If I do 32, here if I perform 20. So what will be my output?
Salesman.
Exactly. It will give what? What is a salesman is unique here, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And all the other things will get minused. We'll get a salesman. Okay. So it's a very simple, guys. Only four operator. What are all those four operators? Okay. Union, union intersect. Okay. Minus. Okay. That you just try minus that also with in different ways. Okay. Different ways. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Okay, so now this is our overall conclusion for few of days. Okay, so we have just covered what are all the things. Equi join. See, equi join means nothing but left join, right join. Okay, full join. Okay, so equi join here it is referring what? Inner join. Okay, inner join. Then union, union or intersect, minus, self join, cross join. All these things we have seen. Okay. Okay. Okay, fine. Now it's time to start the subqueries. Okay, there is a concept called subqueries. Very, very important concept. See, guys, normally we can also call it as what? Nested queries. Okay, nested queries. See, subqueries means query inside a query. So how I can write means subqueries means query inside another query. Another query. Okay, query inside another query. I'll show you. Let's see let's see. For example, if I want to see the data which is available in EMP table, how can I see the data which is available in EMP table? Okay, I want to see the data which is available in EMP table. How can I see this data?
Select star from EMP.
Okay, select star from
EMP.
EMP. Now without writing this EMP, okay, I will write what? Select star from EMP. Is there any difference?
No.
If you select and run this, same output I'll get now. Okay, so here two things available, guys. Here two things. This is called outer query. This is called inner query. Understood? For this outer query, this is input. Okay, this is a input query. Now it's a simple nothing but query inside another query, right? I
Yeah.
have a one query. Okay, one query. Query inside another query. That is called subqueries. Okay, that is called subqueries. Okay, so normally, guys, we can pronounce it with multiple names. Let's say about here some explanation. A query in another query is called subquery or nested query. Okay, so one query is called inner query, child query, or subquery, and other query is called outer, parent, or main query. What does it mean? Let me write here. For example, this is what we have seen, right? Select star from okay, select star from again select star from EMP. Okay, select star from EMP. Okay, why should we write directly? We can write EMP table now means there are so many use cases that I will explain you. Okay, so what they are mentioning. Okay, so this we can call it as what? Inner query. Okay, some may call it as what? Inner query. Okay, and also some may call it as what? Child query. Child query. And one more inner child and sub query. We can also call it as a sub query. Okay. And this part, okay, this part, which one? Which is the outside? This one. This one we can call it as what?
Parent.
Okay. Yeah. Main query, main query or outer query. Normally, this is inner. The opposite is outer query or also, what is that name? Ah, parent. Got it? So if anyone suddenly they said just go and check in a parent query means okay, so just you have to check this one. I hope it's clear. Okay. See, and the concept is here. The concept is here. The result of inner query is input to the outer query. Okay. So whatever the result it is given by child query will act as input for outer query. That's true now, guys. See, for example, if I do select star from EMP, whatever the output I'll get if I run this query, that will act as a input for the outer query, right?
Yeah.
Okay. When the condition based unknown values, okay. Wait, I'll show you one thing. You can run it separately also. Okay. For example, if I run select star from EMP, only this part I select and I run, I'll get this one. Now, where department number equals to 10. What will happen? Now, this is a child query, means this is a sub query and this is a main query. Now, for this main query, what is the input here? Okay, for this main
Child query.
query, this is the input, right?
Yeah.
Now, if I run this output, what I'll get?
Only department number 10.
I'll get a data which is related to department number 10. Okay, department number 10. See guys, these queries are divided into some categories. Okay, all these queries are divided into some categories. Okay, single row subquery, multi-row subquery, correlated subquery, inline views, scalar subqueries. One by one. What is the difference between single and a multi-row subquery and a correlated subquery and inline views? One by one, we'll discuss. As of now, is it clear? First of all, I just given a basic of the subquery. Is it clear? Now we'll go
Yes,
one
sir.
by one. What is this single row subquery? Why we call it as a single row subquery and everything we'll see one by one. Okay. So single row subquery. What is this single row subquery? Okay. So if subquery return one value, then it is called single row subquery. Let's see. Okay. If subquery returns one value, then it is called single row subquery. Okay, fine. Definition we'll copy and we'll see it here. Please, everyone, try to understand only. We'll try to complete. We have a 5 minutes. We'll try to see what is this single row subquery. Okay, single row subquery means what? What it will do? If subquery returns only one value, single value. Okay. Now I have a one question here. Okay. Now I have one question here. Let's take. Mhm. Okay. Display employees earning more than black. Please listen this question. Okay. So what is the question? Display employees earning more than black. So I want all the employees list who are earning more than black. First of all, do we know how much black is earning?
No.
Okay. So guys, here one of the blind rule if you want to understand this subqueries. Okay. Whatever, please, I will repeat two times. Okay. Whatever we don't know. Okay. This is a blind rule. Whatever we don't know. Okay. Put it in subquery. Okay. Put it in subquery. Okay, whatever we don't know. Okay, whatever we don't know, just put it in subquery. Okay, so now what I want employees earning more than black. Okay, what I want employees means select
Select
star
star from
from. Okay, select star from EMP.
AM.
EMP. Okay, where where okay salary should be greater than whose salary?
Black.
More than black, right?
Yeah.
I don't know who a black salary right
Select
now.
from
So whatever I
subquery.
don't know, where I will keep
Subquery.
in subquery. Here,
Select
select, okay,
star from
not salary. I want only salary.
select salary
Salary from which table?
from
From
EMP
EMP table, where
where
whose salary I want?
E name equal to
ENAME equals to who is the
black.
person?
Black.
Blank. Now, see, you can run one by one. Just run this query. Now, please, before that, tell me, this is what inner query or outer query?
Inner query.
Okay, good. This is inner query. Okay, inner query. Now, if I run this inner query, if I run this inner query, only this inner query part I will run. What output I'll get?
Only inner one. Black salary.
Yes, Blake salary. What is how much it is?
2856.
Okay, so 2850. Okay, now indirectly, now read complete query. Now read this complete query. Select star from EMP where salary is greater than
2850.
2850 means this is what the output I want, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now select for this inner query. Okay. For this inner query, for this outer query, this inner query will. So these are all the employees. If you see, all salaries are greater than
Black.
2850, more than black. Now, why we are calling as a single row subquery? Whenever I run this query, guys, when I run this query, this subquery, how many outputs I got?
One.
Only one. See, if you run any subquery, if it returns only single result, then we can consider as what?
Single
Single
row
row
subquery.
subqueries. Is it clear for everyone?
Yeah.
I'm asking all others. It's simple, guys. See, this is a funda. Okay. I mean, this is when I am learning also. Okay. This is okay. With the help of this logic only, I built subqueries. Whatever I don't know now. Okay. Means display employees earning more than black. Okay. I know. If I want to display employees, what is a query? Select star from EMP. Okay. Based on the logic, based on what? Based on the earning means where salary should be greater than. But I don't know what is a black salary, right? Okay, whatever the things I don't know, that I will keep in the subquery part. Okay, let's see one more example. Last one. Okay. For example, display employees earning max salary. Okay, max salary. Okay, can anyone? This is a question. Display employee name. Okay, I want to display employee name. Who's earning max salary? So first of all, see guys, I want all the employee details or only name.
Name.
So
Select e-name
select e-name from which table?
from EMP.
From EMP table. Okay. So
Where
whose name I want?
we don't know.
Who is earning
Max
maximum salary,
salary.
first of all. So in where condition,
Where
where salary should
salary
be
should be
greater than,
greater.
okay. Now max salary, does it work? Someone asked question also related to this while I'm teaching. See, this min function, okay, this min, okay,
Max
max, okay, count, sum,
average
average, okay. All these functions are belongs to which functions?
aggregate.
Aggregation functions, right?
Yeah.
Aggregation functions, does it work on where class?
No,
Okay,
group
will
by
not
class.
work
Not work on
work in where class.
where class.
Okay, where class, right? Now, if I run this, it won't work.
It won't work.
So what is the solution? Can I do in another way? So select
E-name.
star from,
Okay.
not star. What I want? I
E-name
want e-name. From which
from
table? From
EMP
EMP table.
group.
Wait. Hold on. Huh? Where?
Where
Salaries. Wait. Instead of writing in subquery, instead of directly, can I write like this?
select
Select. Wait.
max of salary.
Can you please? Okay. Wait. From EMP. Now, normally, if I run this, select the max salary from EMP, what does it give? I'll get a maximum salary. Okay. So here it get replaces with 5,000. Okay. Now, what will become select star from EMP where salary is okay. Here grade equals to guys, equals to max salary. The logic will be equals to max salary. Now, if I run, so he is the person who is earning maximum salary. Okay. Is it clear? Now, this subquery returned how many values?
Single.
Single value. That's why it will be considered as a single row subquery. Single row subquery. Understood? Okay. Do one thing, guys. You practice this. Okay. Um, let's wait. Okay. You practice and just to go through all these things. Please practice joins also well. In tomorrow session, we'll complete. Already it's 8:03, right? Okay. Any doubts from today's session? In tomorrow session, we do multiple, okay. Next, we'll start a multi-row subqueries, okay. After this multi-row subquery, we'll start correlated. We'll try to complete this subqueries part in tomorrow session. Any doubts from today's session from anyone? No doubts? Okay, I definitely tell you. Okay, if you practice, right, you will get some doubts. Okay, you please practice. At least copy and paste the code and execute it and try to understand how the things are working. Okay. If you have any doubts, you can ask. Okay, everyone. Then, if you don't have, we can leave for the day. We'll connect tomorrow. We'll try to complete these subqueries. Thank you. Thanks for joining.
Thank you.